Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ritesh. Today we are going to have an overview of Docker pull command. Docker pull command is an command used to pull images from registry like Docker Hub. The command is docker space pull space image space the image name that you want to pull. Let's move practical. First, I will open a browser in my system. Go to Docker Hub. Docker Hub is a public registry for Docker images. First, you have to create your sign in, one time sign in here. I have created and I have just log in with my sign ins. Now I will search for my image, what I want. I want Ubuntu. I will select Ubuntu. This is how it looks. When you type the image name, the page comes like this. Here are different options. Whatever you want, you can select and run this command. Copy and paste it in your terminal. I will keep by default. I will just copy and I will paste. I will paste here. Once I paste, hit enter. By default, as you can see, it will download the latest. It will pull from the library, Ubuntu library. This is a digest number, that is a unique number for every image that you pull. Status image I have already downloaded, so it is showing image is up to date. And what is the name? Let's move to the next command. You can use different tags like -a to download all the images, disable contest trust to skip image verification. You can type this platforms to set the platform. If the server has multiple platform capable, you can set as platform. Then you can suppress verbose output by pressing Q. This is the basic command that we have run, that is docker pull and image name. As you can see, this is the output. Next, if you want the image with a different tags, I will show you. As you can see, the latest, this is a tags, that is a name given to image. This is another tag, that is Zenial 20200514. This is Zenial, rolling, Groovy, so on. So I want the Zenial. I will copy this. Type sudo and paste the command. Hit enter. Now it will download Ubuntu image that is having a tag of Zenial. See, as you can see, it is downloading. Previously it was already downloaded in my system, it just check for the updates. Is any update available? If there are any updates, it will update by itself. As you can see, now the image has been downloaded. To check the image has been downloaded, first I will type the command sudo docker fun docker images. As you can see, these are the images. This is NL that we have downloaded. These are all layers, different layers of the image. Every image has multiple layers. So we will check it with this digest name. To check with the digest name, clear the screen. I will type command sudo docker images hyphen digest. You can see this was the image that we have downloaded. Let's move to the next command. You can download any images, any tags that are mentioned here. Let's move to the next command. Next, by digest, you can pull the image from digest. That is this code. Copy this. If this code is not in your system, it will download from Docker Hub. I will first clear the screen. It will check if it's in my local system. If not, then it will go to Docker Hub to download. And it will also check if it's a any newer images is been there for this digest. If yes, it will update it. Let's move to the next command. Next is from registry, local registry. If you have created any local registry, you can use this command docker pull, then your registry port number. By default port is 5000, then the full path where the image is. I have not created my own registry, so I can't show you that. Next, if you want to download all tags, you can run this command. That is docker space pull hyphen all hyphen tags and the image name that you want. Also, I will show another. If you want to kill the process in the middle, just press Ctrl C. It will stop pulling the image. I will show you both the commands now. it first checks in your system that if images are there. As you can see, it is started one by one. One completed, it's pulling another. See, FS layer, as you can see, layer, pulling the layers. These are the layers, as I have told. There are different layers in every image. Now I want to stop this pulling. I will press Ctrl C. As you can see, it stops pulling the images. That's it guys for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.